Hey guys, Trudy here. We're here doing this parking garage and I'm going to turn it around a little bit. We are right on the beach. You can see over there, but we're right on the beach. So we will be using no chemicals to do this parking garage. We are using hot water and we are just putting water down because nobody needs to be washing a dry surface. So we're going to pre-wet before we surface clean and reclaim because we got the drains, we are by the water, so we don't want to put any chemicals down. So we're just going to be rinsing, just washing all this, pre-wetting, washing and rinsing, and our cyclone's going to be doing a lot of the reclaim. So hopefully there'll be no wastewater going in any of the drains. So when you're at a job site, make sure you know your surroundings, because if you are by any waterways, make sure you are not putting any chemicals down the drain. So this is our job for today. Like I said, we'll be using no chemicals, just hot water. The cyclone over there has hot water, as does my trailer here. So we will be using hot water, no chemicals, as we are by the beach. Anyway, I better get to work before I get yelled at. You guys have a great day.